Okay, guys. So the next topic is about how to check that if the titles you are or the videos you are making related to something, are they searchable in your country or any other country. So what you have to do is if you go on the Google, type in this Google Trends. So it's Google and then Trends, Trends, and then you will see this trends.google.com. So if you just click on this one, and then you will come up with this website. So over here you can like select your own country. You can see it's United States, but I am in United Kingdom, so I can go and select my own country, like United Kingdom. Or if you are in Pakistan, you can go and select in Pakistan. If you're in India, you can go and select in India. So KLMNOP. After staying at home, I don't even know the ABC. I'm just forgetting everything now. Anyways, so this is like I've selected my like the Pakistan. So if you're in your country, you can select your own country. That you can see the what topics are searchable most. So suppose if I write down cooking and then search, or search, why it's not letting me search, or just press enter. It didn't let me go search, so I just pressed the enter. So it shows you the graph over here that see it says cooking. That's what you're searching. This is the compare. That means if you want to compare another word with the with this your cooking word, so you can see that what the graph is and how many people are has been searching in which month. So this is from June till June 2019 till May 2020. So it is being quite high in April, and then it's just going down in May as the lockdown has been open. I think it's just because when the lockdown was going on in Pakistan, so it was quite searchable. So it shows you that which parts of the Pakistan is it has been getting searched more. So quite a lot in Sindh, then Punjab, then Azad Kashmir, then Islamabad, then Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and then just keep going on if you want to go on. And this shows you related topics, and then this shows you related queries. So the what you have searched, so it just shows you the which are the other related things are going on. Suppose if you go for dalda cooking oil price or 5 minute 5 minutes craft cooking, clicked on this one. So it shows you 5 minute craft cooking, and you can see how it has been going up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down, and then now it started going up. So I think this is the today's date. Yeah, so see this is coming up to, this is just uploading from today's date, so that's why it is indoor. So suppose if I want to compare like 5 minute crafts cooking with the channel with the word, suppose for example makeup. So now you can see, okay, first thing you can see that 5 minute craft cooking is in blue and makeup is in red. So you can see over here that makeup like is in red, and makeup is getting a lot of more search compared to, it's actually on going up to the 100%, comparing to that this 5 minute craft cooking. So suppose if I'll change this to cooking only, and let me just close my WhatsApp again because I forgot there. So again cooking is in blue and then makeup is in red, and you can another like compare more and more if you want to, but it's always best to go for the two, so it gives you a bit more better comparison. So again makeup is getting a lot more searches comparing to the cooking. So basically these words, if you're doing a cooking channel, kind of these words, it shows you that what is the best word to use in your titles. So this is going to show you a title plus the topics as well. So suppose in the, instead of doing the makeup, if I go into the YouTube word, if I put YouTube in my title, for example, like cooking videos by cooking videos on my YouTube channel. Suppose if I want to add these words, so I'm actually breaking my title into quite few words. Cooking video on my YouTube. channel or something like this. So suppose if I were search the word on YouTube, you can see that cooking is completely on zero, where the YouTube word is getting a lot search in the Google Trends comparing to the cooking. So if you want to add somewhere your YouTube word into your titles, there is a high chances of your videos going into the search bar more, because the YouTube does read everything, and then the what the peoples are searching on the Google and stuff, YouTube is going to kick your those title or the videos up on the on the Google. So which are the words are getting more search. So this is a little bit more help it will give you. And I'll just show you another one, that how to get the YouTube tags as for the a couple of channels. I think Z Ketchup, she doesn't have any of really good strong a good strong of the tags and something. So I'm just going to show you. Some of you might know about this thing anyway, but I'm just going to go another video of this one.